Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria. I hope you're all doing great. I went by Dollar Tree to look for some new items that possibly hit my store, but I didn't really find a whole lot. There were a few things, and I also needed a few things for home, so I did pick up some stuff, and I thought I would just make a quick video to share with all of you what I found at my Dollar Tree. So as usual, here is an overview of all the things that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to start off the video, I picked up some Dawn dish soap. This was a hack from a very long time ago when you take a large spray bottle. You can pick them up at Dollar Tree, and then you fill half of the bottle, which is pretty much one of these 431 mils of Dawn non-concentrated dish soap, and then you fill the other half with vinegar, and you spray it in your shower. You leave it, and after a bit you can scrub everything down and everything comes out great. So I picked up 4 of those. Then I picked up this body wash gel that I really love, and it is a really good product as well. It's made in the UK. It's vegan and cruelty free. You get 400 mils and it is 99% natural origin. So it says no SLS or parabens, which is great. And I picked up 3 different kinds. So the first one here is aloe vera. Then I picked up grapefruit and orange, which I love. And seaweed and citrus. I haven't tried this one yet, but I thought I'd give it a try. I picked up a couple of bar soaps. I really love this as well. It's Yardley London, and they had the limited edition with the spice chai and harvest apple. These as well smell awesome. They are a nourishing bath bar, luscious notes of chai latte, cinnamon, and cardamom. And then this is the harvest apple, juicy and crisp, conjuring, sun-kissed orchards, and baked desserts. So these I love as well. This time around, I noticed that the Dollar Tree had the pure or pur, I'm probably not pronouncing that properly, so forgive me, mints, and I love their gum. I always pick that up, and I love the flavor in spearmint. So I was really happy to see that they had the mints, because a lot of times I just want something that I can suck on instead of chewing. And so these are nice, and they come in the metal tin, which is really nice as well. These next items were not really on my list. I happened to be a little hungry when I went into the Dollar Tree, so of course I'm always looking for something. These I normally tend to pick up at the grocery store, but because I seen they had them and it was a new product, they are $2. So sometimes I can get them cheaper if you pick up 3 for a certain price. But these are Borelli sliced green olives, cholesterol free, GMO free, great for antipasto and salads. So I thought I would give them a try, and I love green olives. So that was a nice find to bring home. I then picked up these peanut butter eggs. These were left over from Easter, and with usually all their seasonal items at this particular Dollar Tree. I think all the Dollar Trees are doing it now, but whenever they have seasonal items, they'll put them for half price. So I really wanted something with peanut butter, so I picked these up. And I really like the Palmer peanut butter eggs. And then I picked up just a couple of Wonder Bars. You get 2 in the package, so that was a nice little treat as well. I haven't opened these yet, but it will be. Next, I went over in the beauty aisle. I was looking for some more of this Cosmic Colors Fast Dry Top Coat. I absolutely love this. It works great, dries quickly, and it protects my nails as well. So I picked up about 3 of these. They had a bunch, so I figured I'd just get a few. Then by Cosmic Colors, I picked up these 2 nail polish. This one here is item number 82072. It's a really pretty color for the spring and summer. And then this one here is a nice brown taupey color. And the item number is 82072. Were they the same? They are the same. I guess they have the same item numbers. And I don't see a name on these to give you a name. That's weird. Then I picked up 3 of the Tivoli nail polish. That is the gel nail polish. So this one here is like a very, very light yellowy gold, which I thought was so pretty. I picked up this minty green. And then I picked up this really pretty purpley pink. I also picked up a box of the Stuck On You nail glue. I really like this one. It is Ultra Hold, Superb Hold, sets in seconds. So I saw it, I figured I'd pick it up. And then I picked up a couple of the Huggies Pure, 99% pure water, and $2 is a pretty good deal. It's a good pack. You get 56 baby cleaning wipes. And I really like this Huggies Pure because there aren't any risky ingredients in this, and I like to keep these on hand in my car. You know, if you ever need a wipe to wipe your hand or something. And I also use them for my puppy. I use them on his paws when he comes in from outside just to clean him up a bit. So I picked up a couple of those. This was a new item that I saw. It's by Style, S-T-Y-L. There we go. And it is a mini backpack, and they had 3 different types. I thought this one was the cutest. I picked it up for my daughter. It's got little glitter all over the bag, and it's has little cat ears, the whiskers, and the little nose, and I just thought it was super cute. So it has the little keychain, so you can attach it to a bag or your purse. Super, super cute. I have been loving the dog items at Dollar Tree lately, and I love picking up this little bear. I've picked him up before, and I have to tell you that my puppy, even though he's small, well, on the smaller size, he's not tiny, but he normally will destroy his toys. And I'm talking about even Kong toys he tends to rip through. But these little bears from Dollar Tree, he loves playing with them. At night, I usually find one in his bed and he cuddles with it, and there is not one rip in it. He will kind of kill the little squeaker on the inside, but he still plays with it, and like I said, there's no rips in it. So when I see them, because they do sell out a lot of times when I go there, but when I see them, I do pick them up, a couple. Normally I get him the brown bear because he looks exactly like this color-wise. He has white around his face and then he's brown, but I thought this one was cute as well. Then they had some more of the Hershey items. I have picked up the Hershey chocolate bar, the soft toy with the squeaker in it. These are a harder plastic or vinyl, and they squeak. So I thought this was really cute. I'm interested to see how he does with this. But yeah, I just love it. So I picked up 2 of the Hershey milk chocolate, and then they also had the York peppermint patty type of chocolate. And how cute are these? So I hope these hold up really well with them as well. And then these ones, I have not seen them before. These are by Sam and Maisie, and they are, again, vinyl, and they have the little squeaker inside. So I picked up the little steak and the bacon. How cute. And the last thing that I have to share with you, a couple of items here. I picked up 4 of these wooden wreath base, and they are 12 by 12. So I'm planning on doing something with these, hopefully very soon, and get back into crafting. And then I picked up in the party section, which I just love when they come out with these. It is a balloon hoop, and it is 15.5 inches. Obviously balloons are not included, but that is what it looks like. It makes like a ring, and then it has the base, which the base looks like that. So the ring will just sit in this part here, and then you can decorate the base with balloons. I thought it was so adorable, and what a great idea if you're having a party to use these for decorations. They're so inexpensive, and who doesn't love balloon decorations? So a really, really nice find. And that is it, guys. That will do it for my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.